can't be standing up, bro. Hell nah. This is the best part of the trip so far. Oh, fun. What's the fuck level of experience so far? I just feel like live trip that was in Thailand so far. I think one in like Copenhagen Island, one in Phuket. That's just drizzling for like 10 minutes. The whole fucking rain before. Oh, bro. I might need to get a hotel room tonight, man. Oh, bro. I'm so fucked. I'm not taking a shower in that hospital. That is like genuinely like the most nasty hospital I've stayed in. Yeah, that's fucked, man. That's fucked. Wait, have you used the bum spray yet? Bum spray, yeah. Yeah, bum spray is all good. Oh wait, bug spray? Bum spray. Bum spray. No, what's that? What's that? You know how in Japan they like spray your house? Oh yeah, yeah. You do it like yourself, like a spray gun. Oh no, I haven't done that yet, bro. Yeah, bro, it's actually all good after like the first time. You know, you get hella used to it. It's actually kind of nice with toilet paper, you know? I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's kind of sus. So you're like kind of penetrating your asshole a little bit, but it feels kind of nice. What are you saying, bro? It's being real right now, you know? It's being real. No, our trip's not that short. Huh? Our trip is not that short. No way, where are we? Where are we? Get me out, bro. Get me out of here. Where are we? No more, bro. It's like I'm in a fucking prison camp right now. That's fucked, bro. I'm held hostage. I've been held hostage for like 5 hours today here. That's fucked. We're getting cancelled. It's getting demonetized, bro. You gotta censor that. Cut that shit out, cut that shit out, bro. No. I'm King Zex, we're back home, bro. I'll see you back online, peace.